Let me teach you one thing that I've learned when it comes to creating wealth, and that is rich people do what is hard. That's why the life is easy. Poor people do what is easy. This is why the life is hard.
And that is just the absolute truth. A lot of you are looking for the easy way out. Show me what should I do? What's the easy thing? And then when they tell you this is what you should do, say, it's too hard though. It is too hard. Honestly, it is too hard. You're not ready to lose your sleep. You're not ready to lose your money. You're not ready to lose your time. It's not even lose. Let me put it like this. You're not ready to invest your sleep. You're not ready to invest your time. You're not ready to invest your money. You want everything easy. And that is why Africans, all we do is pray in Jesus' name. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying prayer is bad. But even the good book says, walk and pray. Meaning, you have to put in the work first before you pray. Father bless me, Father bless me, Father bless me. What should Father bless?